Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to log into SAP system. Logging into SAP sounds simple, but in reality, it's one of those things that trips people up because SAP isn't just one system. There are different environments, login methods, and access types depending on your organization. If you don't understand what you're logging into, you can easily end up on the wrong portal or stuck at the login screen. Open your browser and go to the SAP website. Once there, look at the top right corner and click the Profile button. Why this step matters. This is where SAP handles user authentication, account access, login redirection, and identity verification. Then enter your email address. After clicking the Profile button, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Type your email and click Login. What this does: SAP uses your email to identify your account, determine your organization, and route you to the correct login environment. SAP is trying to figure out who you are before it asks for your password. Then it continues to the sign-in page. Once the login page appears, you may be asked again to enter email or user ID or login name. Enter the appropriate credential and click Continue. Why it asks again? SAP sometimes separates initial identification and system-specific login. This depends on how your organization set up access. Now input your password carefully. Then click Continue. What happens next? If everything is correct, you'll be authenticated, SAP grants access, and you are redirected to your dashboard or system. At this point, you're inside the SAP environment your account is authorized for. Where you land after login. Depending on your organization, you may see SAP Dashboard, Business Apps, ERP Modules, Launchpad Interface, and company-specific tools. To summarize, logging into an SAP system starts by visiting the SAP website and clicking the profile icon in the top right corner. After entering your email and clicking Login, you are redirected to a sign-in page where you may need to enter your email, user ID, or login name again. After clicking Continue, you enter your password and click Continue once more. If your credentials are correct, you are authenticated and redirected into your SAP environment where you can access your organization's systems and tools. This process ensures secure access to enterprise-level systems and may vary slightly depending on how your organization has configured SAP Access. And that's how to log into an SAP system. Simple on the surface, but once you understand what's happening behind it, you avoid 90% of login issues. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.